This afternoon, we continue to highlight our Weather Authority alert day that's in effect for Saturday, and it has to do with that kind of sloppy system that we've been tracking for the past few days. It's a combination of ice, a little bit of snow, and some rain. That's mostly going to be from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. as it goes from south to north and out of the area. Most of the wintry impacts near into the west of US 29. This is some of the newest data for Future Tracker. I'm looking at it for the first time along with you guys. Let's dive into it here as we go into early Saturday morning. This is 1 o'clock, and even still, really not much to track as the air is still pretty dry. But after 4 or 5 a.m., that pink an indication of the mix. This could be in the form of sleet or freezing rain. Predominantly, though, freezing rain. North of Interstate 64, I would expect to see some snow there. You see that in the blue around 7 a.m., so north of Covington, while the rest of the area still deals with pockets of freezing rain. 10 o'clock Saturday morning, and there you see again that real fine line between snow and mix. And again, that's going to be I-64. The pink still showing off and on freezing rain. But as we get into the afternoon, some of that freezing rain may start to let up a little bit, and temperatures may rise to 33, 34 at the surface, at which point we would get a little bit of relief from that while there's still a wintry mix in the highlands. Fast forward to 4 or 5 p.m., and there you see the storm system's out of here. The past few runs or batches of forecast data have shown it moving out by Saturday afternoon. So no, this isn't the kind of system that's going to keep you indoors for days at a time, but it just may cancel plans and make things pretty icy for several hours Saturday. There you see in the pink 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch of freezing rain. In the blue is where you see anywhere from nothing, quite frankly, to 1/10 of an inch. So why does that matter? Once you get above 1/10 of an inch, that's when things start to get really slick. Again, impactful but not crippling. May see some sporadic power outages, but I do not expect that to be a widespread thing. And then as far as snow and sleet is concerned, I've got the blue here for the Roanoke Valley, the New River Valley. I would lean more toward that coating, if anything. But north of Covington is where you're looking at 1 to perhaps 3 inches of snow, and more to come on the western slopes by Sunday. Nonetheless, a very kind of weird storm system, right? A whole lot of things we're throwing at you. We've got those laid out in detail on our weather app. For today, breezy, wind gusts 20 to 25 miles per hour overnight. However, the wind calms down, temperatures drop, 18 to 24. Thank goodness we're dry tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, highs low to mid 40s. There's your mountain snow on the back end of this thing, and I don't want to get too much into the weeds with next week, just letting you know that there are more storm systems we're tracking, and Tuesday looks like a heavy rain event. Again, we're not going to get too far ahead of ourselves. Let's get through Saturday first, and then we'll focus on Tuesday. Here's your extended forecast. High temperatures 30s and 40s today. It's pretty windy out there, no? A little calmer tomorrow. Saturday's our wintry slop. Then by Sunday, we're in the 40s. We'll be in the 40s through next week as well. And so that's why I say, yes, Saturday is going to be what I would call an impactful storm. But then you look at Sunday and we're in the 40s. So no, you're not going to be sitting here getting cabin fever for 3 or 4 days at a time.
Right.
But you just have to have Saturday circled on your calendar.
Yeah, just pay attention. Don't go on the roads if you don't need to. It's just going to be nasty, messy, ugly.
And especially in the morning Saturday through at least early afternoon, it'll be slick out there. And the hope is that we can get the thermometer to 34, 35 degrees.
Right.
So.
Okay, I know you guys are watching it. So
we are, yep.
All right, thank you, Chris.
Got it.